Overseas Chinese Banking Corporation Limited reported its financial results for the first half of 2022. Group net profit for 1H22 rose 7% from a year ago to 2.84 billion Singapore dollars. Net profit for the second quarter was 1.48 billion Singapore dollars, up 28% compared to a year ago and 9% from the previous quarter. Net interest income of 3.20 billion Singapore dollars was 10% above the previous year, mainly attributable to a 6% increase in average asset balances and a 6 basis points rise in net interest margin to 1.63%. Total allowances were lower at 116 million Singapore dollars as compared to 393 million Singapore dollars in the previous year, mainly due to a decline in allowances for impaired loans. The group's annualized ROE was 11% for 1H22, higher than the 10.8% in 1H21, while annualized earnings per share increased to 1 Singapore dollar and 26 cents from 1 Singapore dollar and 19 cents a year ago. Group net profit rose 28% to 1.48 billion Singapore dollars, underpinned by robust performance across the group's banking, wealth management and insurance businesses. Net interest income grew 16% to a new high of 1.70 billion Singapore dollars. This was largely driven by asset growth and margin expansion. NIM rose 13 basis points to 1.71% as asset yields outpaced higher funding costs amid a rapidly rising interest rate environment. Non-interest income was 1.18 billion Singapore dollars, up 6% from a year ago, mainly from higher trading income and life insurance profit. As at the 30th of June 2022, customer loans grew 8% from a year ago. By geography, Singapore, Indonesia, Greater China, USA, and UK drove loan growth. By industry, the increase was led by loans to the building and construction and general commerce sectors, as well as consumer lending including mortgages. An interim dividend of 28 cents has been declared, 12% or 3 cents higher than the 25 cents interim dividend declared a year ago. The interim dividend payout will amount to approximately 1.26 billion Singapore dollars, representing a payout ratio of 44% against the group's 1H22 net profit.